In the quiet of the night, I trace the lines you left behind. A map of promises that faded with the dawn. I gave my all, no holding back, in the fire of your touch. But now I'm learning how to stand when love is gone. Oh, willingness heart, you beat so wild and free, chasing stars that burn out in the sky. Through the tears and the ache, I'll find my way to me. A willing heart that learns to say goodbye, willing to break, willing to heal in the storm of what was real. Whispers of betrayal echo in my mind. Parties where I dance to forget your name. Vulnerable moments stripped down to the bone. Self-love rising from the ashes of the flame. Romance turned to ruins, but I'm not afraid. Emotional honesty lights the path ahead. Lost in the heartbreak, found in the fight. My willing heart beats stronger through the night. Oh, willingness heart, you beat so wild and free, chasing stars that burn out in the sky. Through the tears and the ache, I find my way to me. A willing heart that learns to say goodbye, willing to love, willing to feel in the depth of what is real. So here's to the willing, the broken, the brave, hearts that keep giving no matter the grave. In vulnerability's embrace, we find our art. My willingness heart for every star.